how you will actually make your first $5,000 online. Let's go. First, you gotta go to Canva, and if you don't have an account, you can create one for free. And you're gonna look up ebook templates. Find the one that you like the most and make sure that it has multiple pages. This will make it way easier for you when it comes to editing because you only have to change the information. If you already know what you want your ebook to be about, you can add the information right away. And if not, don't worry, go to ChatGPT and ask for it to write you an ebook about the topic that you chose. It will give you the whole structure, and now you just have to add the information to your ebook template. Once it's ready, just click on download as a PDF, and now we're ready to start selling. Now to sell our digital products, we're going to use StanStore. Once you create your account, you're going to click on add a new digital product and just add all the information. I love how simple the process is, and once you're done, simply add the PDF of your ebook and publish. Now comes the most important part, creating content to attract your clients. To make it easier for people to buy from you, simply add the link to your StanStore to your bio. If you check out mine, you can find all the resources you need to start monetizing your social media as a complete beginner. Now everything you need is linked in my bio.